Hello viewers, you are welcome back to Aso Rock Vibes TV, and in today's video I'll be talking about the top 10 most beautiful cities in Nigeria. In case you don't know, Nigeria is a sovereign country in West Africa, bordering Niger in the north, Chad in the northeast, Cameroon in the east, and Benin Republic in the west. It has 36 states and a federal capital territory called Abuja. Nigeria is also the most populated country in Africa, with over 206 million people. Lagos, Nigeria is the most populated state in Nigeria and also the most populated state in Africa, with over 30 million people. So friends, without wasting much of your time, let's get right into today's topic. But before then, please, if you are new to this channel or you are not yet subscribed, please endeavor to subscribe and turn on the bell icon for notification, so when next I upload a video, you are going to be notified. The number 10th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Warri, Delta State. Warri is the only city here that is not the capital city. The capital of Delta State is Asaba, but Warri is among the top 5 most popular cities in Nigeria. The city of Warri is an oil hub in south Nigeria and houses an annex of the Delta State Government House. It served as the colonial capital of the then Warri province. Warri is a very beautiful state with good roads, clean environment, and beautiful attractions. The number 9th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Awka in Anambra State. Awka is the capital city of Anambra State. The city has an estimated population of about 2.5 million people as of a 2018 estimate. The city is also a great economic hub. Awka is very beautiful with good roads, good structures, green environment, and beautiful tourist attractions. The number 8th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Akure in Ondo State. Akure is the capital city and the largest city of Ondo State. The city had a population of about 400,000 as at 2006, and currently it has an estimated population of over 700,000 people. Akure is really cool and developing. It has good roads, good structures, and beautiful sights. The number 7th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Kaduna City. Kaduna City is the most beautiful city in northern Nigeria. This beautiful Nigeria city is home to Kajuru Castle. Kajuru is a tourist attraction center in Nigeria and Africa's best kept secret. In total contrast to the issue of security in the state, the city continues to be a major travel destination for bold tourists, most especially those who want to catch up with the culture of the north. Let's just be optimistic about the security issues. The number 6th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Enugu City. Enugu City, also called 042 or Coal City, is a very beautiful city with nice topography and attractive structures. The road network in Enugu is well designed, with so many state-of-the-art buildings. Enugu is the most beautiful city in southeastern Nigeria, with an exciting social life. Enugu has been argued to be one of the best well-planned cities in Nigeria. Luxury, serenity, and security describes the lifestyle of residents in Enugu. The number 5 most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Calabar, Cross River State. The capital city of Cross River State, popularly called Canaan City or the People's Pride, is a home of ecotourism and pride itself. Also a home of parks, game reserves, greeneries, waterfronts, mountain resorts, good road networks, and a lot more. I think I will love to visit Calabar soon. The number 4th most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Uyo. Uyo is the capital of Akwa Ibom State. When it comes to nature, clean environment, and for those who love green environment, I think Uyo is arguably number 1 in Nigeria. Uyo has one of the best road networks in Nigeria. It also has the best football stadium in Nigeria. I'm talking about the Godswill Akpabio Stadium. There are a lot of cool places and tourist attractions in Uyo you can visit. The number 3 most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Port Harcourt City. Port Harcourt is the capital of Rivers State, located in the south-south region of the country. Port Harcourt is very beautiful. Few years ago, it was the most beautiful state in Nigeria, but I think it's coming back with new beautiful spots like the Port Harcourt Pleasure Park and many ongoing projects. Port Harcourt is the richest oil-producing state in Nigeria. It has beautiful road networks, beautiful structures, amazing environment, and beautiful tourist attractions and parks. The number 2 most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is Lagos City. Lagos is the most populated state in Nigeria with over 30 million people. It also has the smallest land size in the whole of Nigeria. Lagos is the economic hub of the country. It is divided into 2 parts, the island and the mainland. The mainland has very cool places, but the island is where most things happen. Lagos has better roads compared to other states and a lot of beautiful tourist attractions, including beaches, malls, art galleries, and several others. And when it comes to entertainment and nightlife, Lagos is number 1, not just in Nigeria but the whole continent of Africa. And the most beautiful city in Nigeria 2021 is FCT Abuja. Abuja is the Federal Capital Territory of Nigeria and also the most expensive city in the country. That is where the Presidential Palace is. The ministries, National Assembly, Police, Army and Air Force headquarters are also there. Abuja has the best roads in Nigeria. It is also well planned and very organized, with beautiful attractions and beautiful places to chill. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. You are the best. I will love you to subscribe to this channel and click the bell icon for notification. So when next I upload a new video, you are going to be notified. Also, please drop your thoughts in the comment section. What do you feel about this video? And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for the YouTube algorithm. And follow us on Facebook, on Twitter and on Instagram at Asorok Vibes. If you follow us, we will follow you back. See you next time. We love you. You are the best. Peace. I'm out.